Good morning, and what a lovely sunny morning it is, WRCC fans. First one of these we've done in a while, another new arrival, and it's another car that's been with us previously. It's this awesome 1966 Trafalgar Blue Morris Minor 4-door. Really lovely car. The paintwork on it's really nice. As you can see, it's got a nice shine. Being a 4-door, all the doors fit nicely, looks very nice, really nice to drive. I'm going to try not to say nice again now, but it's just a great little car. As I say, the second time I've had it in. Previous owners traded it in after a couple of years. He has traded against a split screen because he fancied a bit of a change. It's really nice and clean, Trafalgar Blue. Give you a walk around. All the chrome work's really nice, excellent underneath. It's had an alternator fitted by us previously. Set of reconditioned wheels, new tyres. Go around again, we'll go all the way around again, and then we'll go do the interior. The paintwork's got a lovely shine to it. As you can see in the sunshine, it really pops. Really popular colour. Really nice quality car. Yep, all the rubbers are good, the rear lights are good, all the chrome's good. Right, now onto the interior then. So 6 previous keepers. Comes with a heritage certificate, which is in that folder on the dashboard. Seats are in really nice order. We fit new carpets in it last time round. It's got telescopic suspension, so it passed the bumpy road test, and I won't bother showing you it because you've seen it a million times anyway, the old famous WRCC bumpy road. Headlining is really good, sun visors, glove box liners are like new. 6 previous keepers, 1966, showing 48,234 miles. Parcel shelves all in good condition. All the trims and everything are all nice and clean, as you can see. Door apertures are really good. You can still see the spot welds in the gutters, so they haven't been filled to within an inch of the life. Same again, door apertures nice and clean and tidy. Inner wings there, all good. You'll be able to see from the inside when we have a look in the boot. Headlining's like new. Really nice interior. I say really nice paintwork. Really good underside. Runs and drives like a dream. I'll get back in and start it for you. Pop the bonnet. So, as you can see, interior is really nice. Paintwork's really nice. I won't describe it as perfect. There's the odd imperfection on it here and there, but very good. So the engine bay, as you can see, is very nice and clean, in keeping with the rest of the car. It's on choke, so it's idling a bit fast. Engine's really nice and smooth. Good inner wings, nice new looking wiring loom. Everything that you could want really. Electronic washer pump, really tidy sort of local show quality engine bay. Really tidy local show quality everything really. The paintwork, the exterior, the underside. It's got everything going for it. It's sort of not a perfect concourse saloon, but it's certainly at the top end of what they like condition wise. As you can see, the boot floor there, nice and clean and tidy. Inner wings are all really nice and clean and tidy. There you go, as you can see that, as is the boot aperture, as is the boards in the boot, everything about it is nice and tidy. And then go on, seeing as you're all asking, there's the West Riding bumpy road that we tested, and it's got Spax suspension on the back. So it's nice and smooth to ride, nice and powerful 1098 engine. Nice smooth gearbox with no whines or knocks or bangs on all the transmissions as it should be. Really good car. A really good saloon. I've really enjoyed driving this about for the last couple of days in the sunshine. And if you want to come and have a look at it, by all means give us a call. 01422 881221. Or you can visit www.westridingclassics.co.uk. Email inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk. This one's on at 10650. worth every penny in my humble opinion, but come and have a look here and find out for yourself. Thanks guys.